This is Algebra 2, Lesson 83, and this lesson covers product rule with variables and the power rule with variables. Alright, so first the product rule with variables. So to solve one of these, you'll notice that we've got exponents that are not numbers, but we're going to treat them just the same as if they were numbers. So we're going to put together x and x, so our bases are the same. When we have bases that are the same, that means we add the exponents. Okay, because we're multiplying those bases, so we add your exponents. So for x, we have a plus a over 2. So to simplify that, we're going to have to multiply this side times 2. So we have 2a over 2. So we would end up with 2a plus a, which would be 3a. A over 2. Okay, so that's our x, this exponent. And now we're going to add the y's. So for y, we've got 2x and 3x over 4. So we need to add 2x plus 3x over 4. That means we need to put that over 4, so I'll multiply the top by 4. 4 times 2 would be 8. That gives us 8x plus 3x. Now our bottoms are the same, so we can add. And we get 11x over 4, so that's our y part. And that's all there is to it. That's the answer right there. Alright, let's try another one. Okay, on this one we have to simplify first and then divide. So first right here, actually we're just going to divide, so that means we're going to be subtracting. So if we move this up, right, it'll be minus a over 2. So what we have for our x part is a minus 2 minus a over 2. Okay, so we need to put this over 2 and multiply that whole thing times 2. So we'd have 2a minus 4, let's get 2, over 2 minus a over 2. 2a minus a would be 1a. So we would have a minus 4 over 2. And that would be, if we broke that up, we'd have a over 2 minus 4 over 2, and that reduces to 2. So we got a over 2 minus 2. Okay, that's our x part. Okay, and then our y, we're going to do 2a and subtract it from that part. Let me change colors here. So 2a, and we're subtracting it from that, so minus 2a. So a plus 4 minus 2a would be, a minus 2a would be negative a plus 4. So our y part would be negative a plus 4. And there's the answer right there. So you treat it just like it didn't have a base. You just work with the exponent. Alright, on this part is the power rule. So we're going to multiply. So that means we have to do 2 times a and then 2 times 2. Right? 2 times a would be 2a. And 2 times 2 would be 4. Easy peasy. Alright, this one, we're going to distribute these first. So A times B, so we'd have X, AB. And then we'd be multiplying there. So A times B would be actually, let me get rid of those. We don't need those anymore. We'd have AB and then plus 2A. And we've got our X, negative A. We want to bring that up, so plus A. So we need AB plus A. And there wouldn't be really anything more that you could do with that, so the answer would just be X, AB plus A, Y, AB plus 2A. And that's the answer to that one. Go ahead and pause the video and work the practice problems, and I'll come back and work them for you. Alright, so hopefully you guys pause this to work these practice problems. And we'll work them for you. Alright, so this first one, we're going to put our x's together. So we have m plus m over 5. That means we have to multiply this side times 5 over 5. 5m plus m would be 6m over 5. So that's our x part. And then our a's. Are going to be 3x plus x over 2. So 3x plus x over 2. We need to do this one times 2. That would be 6x over 2 plus x over 2, which would be 7x over 2. Let me double check that. Whoops. I did 2 when it was supposed to be a 5 down here. You guys probably caught that. Fix that. Okay, in the book, okay, there it is. X over 5. I went with the wrong one. Okay, that's my A. Yeah, now I've got the x's. Let me erase all this. M's. Okay, that's x, 6m over 5. Alright, and then my a's, I've got x plus 3x plus x over 2. Yeah, I got it right. Alright, that's the answer to that one. Okay, next one. Alright, so here's where we have to subtract. So we're going to say a over 3. We're going to subtract it from that. So we got a minus 2 minus a over 3. So we got to multiply this times 3. So we'd have 3a minus 6 over 3 minus a over 3. 3a minus a will be 2a minus 6 over 3. Then we'll just separate that out and say 2a over 3 minus 6 over 3 will be 2. 2a over 3 minus 2. Okay, now our p, we're going to pull that up and subtract it. So we've got a plus 1 minus 2a. That would be negative a. Fix this guy. Let's see. 2a. Yeah, that'd be 1 minus a. It'd be negative a plus 2 or 1 minus a, either one of those. So if you wrote it like that, that's the way the answer key has it. Or you could have written it as negative 1 plus a. Negative a plus 1. You could write it like that or like that. They both mean the same thing. Okay, this one, we're going to multiply. So I got m xz z m plus 3. Okay, so here we need to do plus x, and then here we need to do plus x. So on that one, we're going to have xz plus x and then our z, we're going to have m plus 3 plus no, we don't have to do it on that side. See, because that's a z. M and z don't go together. So m plus 3. That was easier than I thought it would be. Xz plus x and m plus 3. Easy peasy. Alright, that is it for lesson 83.